Alright, I'd like to thank ZimsJeep for his tutorial on YouTube on how to program your garage door, the trigger, to put the function key D and open and close your garage door. He has 2 videos on YouTube, so we appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Alright, YouTube, we just hooked up our Eyez-on here to our Vista 20p. We're using the function key D for our garage door opener. We're going to give it a test here. So we go to our command. We're going to go to our custom. We're just going to enter D in and enter, and our garage door should close now. You can see we're on the 4G and our garage door is going down. So if we want to open that back up, custom, and the D button on the keypad is programmed for a garage door through the onboard relay. Enter. So with the Eyez-on, we should be able to open this anywhere. And there you go. Looks like a champ. And here's a look at our panel and our relay. So our Vista 20p, and here, right, this little box here is our Eyez-on communicator. Hooks up to the Ethernet. Kind of hard to get a shot on that there, but just like a regular keypad with a RJ45, and you use their servers. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. And there, went down to the automotive store and picked up a relay. So that comes off 17 and the 12 volts. So once that gets the trigger from the D command, it puts 12 volts to this, which latches just a dead short and opens up the garage door. Here's our external power supply, because we have 4 keypads and sirens and the IP communicator right there in our expansion. But hope our video was helpful. Thank you.